Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and wanted to give you an update. In this video, as you can see, the frame has been painted. The torsion bars are painted, and so we're reinstalling the torsion bars on the front end. I know a lot of guys replace the torsion bars. I didn't want to replace the torsion bars. I wanted to keep them. So I'm building this the way I want to build it. I really liked the ride before, and I think I'm going to love it when we're done. The interesting thing, I did some research on torsion bars. I got a little bit of notes here. So the torsion bar front end was from 1960 to 62, so that's only 3 years. And GM shifted their emphasis towards having a smoother car-like ride. And so they came out with the torsion bars. They also redesigned the truck in 1960. So mine's a 61, but the cab was bigger. And they also had a distinctive front end on the 60 and 61. The 60 through 62 had the torsion bar, which was the first independent front suspension for a truck, and it had the torsion bar front end with trailing arms in the back and coil springs. And then in also the 1960, they had the step side, which I have, but they also came out with the Fleetside. So there I am bringing the passenger side torsion bar in. The other thing that was unique about the torsion bar is the reason it went out from the research I've done, and I mentioned it in another video, is Chrysler Corporation, and I believe DeSoto, developed the torsion bar suspension, and they ended up, General Motors got in a lawsuit, and so they dropped the torsion bar for 1963. So again, it was only a 3-year deal. So we're putting the torsion bars, so we got both sides in. I sped this video up 10x just because I didn't want to bore you to death on it. But now I'm going to start posting on a regular basis again, now that we're starting to make progress and hanging things on the frame. I appreciate you watching these videos. I hope they bring value. I hope you enjoy it. And I'll see you on the next video. Thanks again.